There will be fights, disagreements, and a lot of arguments in the marriage if you can't make a better decision before you get into the marriage. Can you watch this video? Oh, my dear wife, I'm very sorry. Please, nisamehe.
Stop.
Si kwa kupenda kwangu. It's not my intention, please. Nisamehe. Ilikuwa ni majaribu tu madogo ya shetani.
Nyamaza.
Please, nisamehe.
Ni kitu gani sikupei kwa hii nyumba? I sacrifice everything for you, siku na mchana, to make you happy. But why? Why?
Yes, ndio maana nimesema nimekubali makosa yangu na ninaomba uniwie radhi. Please, find a space in your heart. Please, nakuomba. Nimekubali makosa yangu, ndio. Mimi sichakataa.
Get out of my sight.
I know I have offended you, but this is not the way, please.
I need a space to be alone.
Find a space in your heart to forgive me, because I can do nothing without you. You are my everything.
My everything, my foot. Wanaume wote ni maumbwa.
So before you get into that problem, be warned so that you can able to protect yourself from such incidents and quarrel, disagreements in the marriage.